In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to adjust the default zoom level in Google Chrome to enhance your browsing experience. Whether you're trying to see your favorite web pages with a little more clarity or need the text to be a bit larger for easier reading, adjusting the zoom setting can make a significant difference. So, let's dive right into it. First, begin by opening your Google Chrome browser. Once you have Chrome open, draw your attention to the upper right corner of your screen. Here, you'll notice a small icon featuring 3 vertical dots. This is your gateway to navigating Chrome's variety of settings and options. Give it a click. With that click, a drop-down menu will appear before you, presenting a myriad of options to explore. Among these, you will find the Settings option. Selecting this will guide you into Chrome's realm of customizable features and preferences, allowing you to fine-tune your browsing experience. After entering the settings area, you'll notice a column of different categories running along the left side of your screen. These categories help you manage everything from privacy to extensions. Our focus today, however, is on visual clarity, so you're going to want to click on the Appearance section. This is where you'll find all the tools you need to customize how Chrome looks and feels while you browse. Now that we're in the Appearance section, glance through the options available to you. Among them, you'll see a feature labeled Page Zoom. This feature is the star of our show today. Direct your attention to the small drop-down menu next to it. This menu holds the various zoom level options that you can choose from to make web content appear larger or smaller by default. Click on this drop-down menu, and you'll see a range of zoom percentages appear. You're free to choose whichever setting you think will best suit your needs. But for demonstration purposes, let's say we're aiming for a 125% zoom level. Clicking on 125% will set this as your default, meaning every time you open a new website, it'll display at this zoom level, ensuring consistency across all your browsing activities. And just like that, your new default zoom setting is ready to go. You don't need to save any changes. Google Chrome automatically applies this preference to all the websites you visit from now on. This straightforward adjustment ensures that you can enjoy your browsing sessions with content that is more readable and visually accessible. We've reached the end of our tutorial, and you should now feel confident in altering your default zoom level in Chrome. This small yet impactful change can greatly enhance your online interaction, making sure every flip through web pages is as comfortable as it is enjoyable. Thanks for tuning in, and happy browsing!